what I have beside me, it is the most exciting thing I'm gonna unveil to you. I've been waiting all day since I saw it was out for delivery, and I'm like, no, I need to make a YouTube video unboxing. So, I have been out all day, so it is 10:44 at night, and I was like, I really want to unbox this, but I'm like, I need to do an unveiling so you can get like genuine reactions. So, what I have the size of my entire body. I managed to get the Supreme and I was like, oh, I need it. And I was ecstatic that I got it because it's actually the first Supreme box I've ever gotten. I was so excited to unveil. So was Cosmo. Oh, okay, he's camera shy. But I'm so excited. Halloween is my favorite time of year. This video is gonna be so cringy because I am so tired. And so like you can tell my head was extra small. I'm so exhausted. And let's open it. Okay. I don't wanna like cut anything. Excuse me, sir. Cosmo's paw. He just wants the box. Thank you for the enormous cat box. My cats are gonna love it. Alright. Oh my god. I have so much anxiety because I don't know what to expect. Oh, I also put in small because I've never ordered like the Supreme like I put before with the biggest one. So I don't know what to expect. Oh my god, I'm really excited. Okay. Ugh, so I feel like stabbing me. Okay. Oh my god, you see the orange? Oh my god. Dude, are you fucking kidding me? Holy shit. This is so fucking... This is so loud. I decided to set the box next to me because... Hey, Cosmo loves the tissue paper and he is attacking it right now. Dude, like... Ah! I can't always scream because my parents are sleeping. These are so fucking cute. I never wear this bright of an orange, but bitch, I'm gonna start now. Like, look at it, that's so cute. Oh my god, what the frick? There's a booty pocket. There's some side pockets. Dude. I did not expect the whole fucking tracksuit. I was just like expecting a fucking hoodie. Like, what? Oh my god, this jacket is so bomb. Okay. This jacket is so bomb. Look at it. Look at it. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh my god. This is like humongous for small, but fuck it. I'm 4'10", I would be rocking this shit. God, I'm very ecstatic about that. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. I see stuff, I'm like so excited. Sorry, I'm like super annoying. My cat is like waiting for me to to give him the fucking box. Okay, you want this? Is that what you want? Oh my god. Okay. One thing at a time. So there's this. This looks really pretty. Oh, dude, I'm disappointed. I had this already. But, like, I'm not disappointed, but, like, I kind of am. For those of you who don't know what the mini breaker looks like, I'm so sad now, but she's very beautiful. And I own her already because I thought she was very beautiful. But that's all I got here. Super pretty. I'm not angry about it. She is beautiful. Dude, my cat is like going insane. Alright. More paper for my kitties. Alright, I'm gonna do. Oh my god, what the fuck? It's like so much fun. Caramel Kiss. Ooh, this looks beautiful. Supreme Frost. Okay, let's open here. Let's see here. This is beautiful. Look at that. There you go. Beautiful. Let's do a little swatch. I love the Supreme Frost because they're just glittery and there you go. Kind of see. Oh, and it's like a metal. So cute. I will be using this tomorrow. I ain't mad about her. That one's a pretty one. Alright, I don't want to get glitter on this, so I'm gonna put the pile there so it can be sweet. Okay. Cute. I've always wanted. Straw. It's orange. Oh my god. That sound. My cat is interested in that sound. What? Okay. There's a little scrub in here. It is cucumber mint. Yum. Let me smell this. Oh, so pretty. Very cucumber, minty, lemonade-y. Oh my god. Can you relax? You will get it later. I don't want him to like make so much ruckus in my video. Okay. And then there is Scorpio lip liner and a Venus flytrap. I've seen Scorpio, but not the lip liner. So I know it's like really weird to take these out, but what's it? I'm ripping the box, but I'm ripping it. Scorpio. Cute. Very beautiful shade. My cat Sunny decided she wanted to join us. Hi, beautiful. Alright. Okay. Back to Venus flytrap. So I swatched Scorpio. Ooh, it's so pretty. I don't even know if I've seen this shade. No. She wants the box already. But she's getting familiar with everything. This is like. Let's do a quick swatch. This is actually a fun color. Really pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Love that. Oh my god. Can you not do this here? My cats are just. So these are the two shades that he said were exclusive. I'm living for the names. Yummy and Zombie Kiss. Zombie Kiss, I'm so excited to look at, but let's do Yummy. This is a lip ammunition. Dude. Hey. Hey. This boy kitty drives me nuts. Oh my god, it's glittery. You see that? It's just like a really sheer. Oh, that is a very wearable. It smells so good. This child of mine is just not letting me do anything. But it's very wearable. It's so cute. I'm like, there you go. I'm trying to like capture it. It's a very wearable, really pretty topper. Capture the top. This is beautiful. I'm like mesmerized. I'll put it here because have like that head. You guys. You guys. You guys. Oh, pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm in love with it. Jeffree, you did not have to go this hard. Really. Did not. Alright. I have. Oh my god, it's like. Okay, this is third to last. Obviously, so. The baby minis. Just so box is so beautiful. I am probably going to keep it forever. So there is unicorn blood, red rum, prom night, and Nicole, watermelon soda, wifey, Calabasas, and doll parts, which I have already. I have been wanting Anna Nicole, and this one's really pretty too. So I'm very excited. It's so beautiful. They're probably gonna stay in here forever because this box is to die for. It is beautiful and sleek. It smells fresh. This is so cute. This is so cool. This is so beautiful. The vinyl. This is so pretty. It's a star. Ugh. And it's a little like weird right here in the middle, but it's all Gucci. Look. I don't know what to say about this, but it's just so cool. I didn't even know they like put these in the boxes, to be honest. And last but not least, why is this so light? I didn't expect it to be so light. Okay. It's a sticker. I'm sure we all know what this is. It's the main reason why I wanted this box. Oh my god, this is so light. Oh, they're so much smaller than I thought. So, look at it. Ooh, but this is so pretty. I like how light it is. I've always wanted a mirror of this. Wow, I look terrible. I am so sorry. You were watching me unbox. I look so bad. But, Halloween. So cute. I love this. It's so, you can like see something in here, but I love this so much. Can I see the reflection? I'm just very stupid right now. The box is really cute that it comes in. I love it. Love it. Oh my god, this is so light. I am like just amazed. I thought they would be like. I thought they would be heavier. So pretty. It's gonna stay in my box forever because I'm a freaking lunatic. And I'm just gonna pull it out whenever I want it until I get sick of doing that, and then it's gonna come out because this is my new prized possession. I'm even keeping a little sticker on it. But yeah, that's all I got in my box. I am pretty satisfied. Took a last look at the highlighter. It's kind of worn out because I was rubbing my arm on it. The little lip, Yummy, I believe it was called. I'm bad at this. Go on back and backtrack. What I've got here. So we have that highlighter, this one, which is Caramel Kiss. Super pretty. We have Yummy lipstick right there. Here. Very wearable and very gorgeous. Venus Flytrap, which matches my walls. The Scorpio lip liner. And then Zombie Kiss, which is so stunning. Has like little pink-ish reflex. So pretty. So I loved all these. I'm gonna wear Yummy like every day because it is such a wearable like top. Even if you put it over like a lip liner. Beautiful. And then we got a little mini set. Just a recap. Very beautiful. All these shades. This set is so cute. Actually, now we have the little vinyl. I'm like trying to put everything back as to how I found it because, man, I know about everything. That is in here too. We also have gotten a mini breaker and a little cucumber mint lip scrub, which I'm gonna try ASAP. I was gonna say tonight, but I want to say ASAP, so it came out that way. And don't ask me that. Yeah, but also the little orange straw, which I've been dying to have one of his straws. I just have not been able to buy it. It's so cute. Halloween. Halloween. And then the tracksuit. I really am gonna try this right now, and I'm gonna look ridiculous because I am 4'10", and these are not made for 4'10" people. So I'm gonna try it out right now. We'll see how it looks like. I kind of look ridiculous in this because I never wear bright ass colors. Like, I look ridiculous. These pants are so comfortable. This color is so comfy and cute. Bam, pockets. This is like so turn nervous on me. Whatever. But it's like cute if I have it open. Obviously, I didn't put a shirt under, so it's so comfy. So cute. I love the pants though. This is cute, comfy. Like nobody has this big of a torso. If I wore this like a normal person, I would still look ridiculous. But it's so comfy. Oh my god, I never would have thought I would have ever owned a tracksuit. Bam. Sunny is like, what is happening? But she really doesn't care. Well, that is what I received. Hope you had fun. I don't know what I was doing this whole time. I was just showing off some stuff. Also, if you also have gotten a mystery box, comment down below what you've gotten. And if you've gotten the same thing, or if you, I don't know, got something different. I just want to know. It'd be fun. Let's compare. I don't know what the I'm a fish. I don't know what I'm doing. I need to leave now. Well, guys, I'm glad I'm just like showing off this jacket, you know. Yeah, I was kind of like rushing showing this stuff off because I just wanted to see everything already. I like waited all day, and I also didn't want this video to be like dragged on and have like 20 fucking minutes of me talking about shit I bought, you know. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, follow me on the internets at Instagram at ToeXJam. Wherever I'm putting it on the screen, I don't even know. Yeah. Thanks for watching this video. Yeah. I don't know what else I'm saying.